Hey, music enthusiasts! Welcome back to another video where we are diving into the world of classic audio experiences. Today, we've got something truly special for you, the 5 best turntables of 2024. If you want to see more information on the updated price, check the product links in the description box. Let's get started. Number 5. Gribbo Record Player Turntable LED Lamp. The Vinyl Glow not only sounds fantastic but looks stunning too. Its sleek, vintage-inspired design will add a touch of class to any room. The glossy finish and minimalistic controls give it that perfect blend of modern and retro aesthetics. The Vinyl Glow is designed with you in mind. It's easy to set up, and the intuitive controls make it user-friendly, even if you're new to the vinyl world. The one-touch operation and auto-stop function ensure a hassle-free experience, so you can focus on enjoying your music. Multiple color functions. There are 7 color light modes to choose from. Adjust the brightness and color speed with a remote control to make your vinyl record more personalized. Easy to install. Simply attach Vinyl Glow under the turntable. No drilling holes are required. Illuminate your record player with no hassle. Vinyl Glow consumes less power and produces low heat. It will not be your lovely vinyl record player. It completely resistances all shock and vibration. Bring your record listening to the next level. Number 4. Gribbo Vinyl Record Player Turntable. This vintage vinyl electromechanical record player has a classic stereo, and the antique-style housing and knobs give a nostalgic feeling, adding a strong retro atmosphere to the living room. High-quality sound. Equipped with a high-quality speaker system, it can produce clear and realistic sound quality, so that you can enjoy pure stereo sound as if you were in the music experience. Multifunction playback. In addition to being able to play vinyl records, this record player also has a variety of playback methods, such as Bluetooth connection, USB insertion, and SD card playback, which can meet different needs and music sources. Built in 2 traditional acoustic systems with the power of 3 watts, equipped with a hidden horn with a frequency response of 150 to 2000 Hz, delivering better sound quality. Ruby Stylus, restoring true sound quality. Under normal circumstances, it can be used for 300 to 500 hours, is easy to maintain in the later stage, and can be replaced at any time. Dual speakers paired with independent sound chambers greatly enhance frequency response range and showcase more musical details. Home decoration. As a living room decoration, this antique stereo record player is not only powerful, but also can add a unique artistic atmosphere to your home, becoming an eye-catching highlight. It not only brings you the enjoyment of music, but also adds a unique charm to your living space. Number 3. Aerialer Turntable Radio Set. Mini vinyl turntable record player can play records. With this turntable to MP3 converter, you can easily transfer your vinyl record to MP3 format. It can directly convert to a plugged USB flash. No PC is required. The vinyl turntable player is made of high-quality ABS material, durable, wear-resistant, and long-lasting. So, stable performance and high reliability are guaranteed. The USB vinyl to MP3 converter is coupled with a playback function so you can easily check the recorded file. Easy operation. Just simply press the recording button. Then the vintage vinyl player will start to record the playing music in MP3 format, and the green indicator will quickly flash. Press the recording button again to stop recording and save an MP3 file in a USB flash or microSD card. Number 2. Fosi Audio Turntable Box 3. This sleek and powerful device is about to revolutionize the way you experience your vinyl collection. A special device for purifying sound and reducing low-frequency noise. Designed with a grounding post to protect your turntable. It's also a tube preamp with a 3.5 mA UX input. Designed and assembled by Fosi Audio from high-quality components. Great, warm, and smooth sounding. Equipped with high-quality 12-volt 1.5 power supply, with American UL certification, Japan PSE certification, and Level 6 energy efficiency certification. Tube Phono preamplifier converts phono signals to line-level signals with low-noise integrated circuits and high-quality components to remove low-frequency noise and ensure clear sound quality. Applicable vacuum tubes. GE 5654 watts tube creates sweet and warm, delicate, and smooth hi-fi sound for your home audio stereo system, which means it is no need to change or upgrade other tubes. The Fosi Audio Bluetooth Phono Preamp. A must-have for any vinyl enthusiast who craves exceptional sound quality, convenience, and style. Elevate your audio experience with this game changer. Number 1. AIYIMA Record Player T95. This record player is not just a piece of audio equipment, it's a statement. Crafted with precision and elegance, it's designed to elevate your vinyl listening experience. This machine adopts an imported TDA 7498 e-Power amplifier chip, which has a wide working voltage range. Unique and amazing combination, integrated T5 amplifier with VU meter into the hole in such a mini size. When enjoying hi-fi music, the pointer dancing in the warm light with strong vintage feelings dynamically decorates the audio system space. Hi-fi clear sound with tone control, reasonable circuit, and concise wiring adopts vacuum tubes to soften the sound and filter out the digital feelings. Sounds warm and sweet without noise. Also with treble and bass knobs to adjust one's preferable sound styles. Presents hi-fi music with rousing highs and deep lows. Strong output power and low-frequency output. Each channel can output 160 W, match perfectly and easily to drive all 3/8 passive speakers. Add a low-frequency output, easy to connect active speakers, and build a 2.1 channel system. The bass effects are greatly enhanced. With multiple digital audio inputs, Bluetooth 5.1 mm input, stereo R, SIA compatible with most audio devices such as phones, computers, tablets, TVs, CD players, etc. So, if you're ready to take your vinyl experience to the next level, this record player is the way to go. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more adventure tech content. Thanks for joining us today.